nusa, satu bangsa, satu bahasa kita. Selamat pagi. Today I started our week's greeting with a line from Indonesia's national song, Satu Nusa Satu Bangsa, as we are set to celebrate Indonesian Week or Pekan Bahasa Indonesia as the highlight of Bulan Bahasa. Let's start this week with the PYP events and activities. Join our young learners from PYP A to go to the F45 Gym. They are going to learn about different roles and responsibilities in the community. Meanwhile, the PYP basketball elite team is going to join a competition at JAC. Best of luck to the team. On Tuesday, EY parents are encouraged to join the coffee morning and also workshop on play-based learning. We are going to see valuable insight with learning through play. For our PYP 5 students, this week is the time to test your knowledge. The ANBK is here, so prepare yourself for a challenging yet rewarding experience. Best of luck for all participants. We are also going to have JISMO presentation as part of our JISMO preparation in the PYP. Turning our attention to high school events and activities. Grade 9 to 12 students, are you ready to plan your future? We have organized special university and college admission sessions just for you. Join them to gain information and also guidance of the admission process. Don't miss the opportunity so you can shape your future into success. Over the weekend, it's time for our grade 11 to 12 students to gain experience as lifelong learners in the community, as they are going to join the CAS project on Habitat for Humanity. This week culminates with the Bulan Bahasa Assembly on Friday. Join us to see and hear the richness and beauty of Indonesian language. Bulan Bahasa is a time dedicated for commemorating the Indonesian Youth Pledge Day or Sumpah Pemuda. It is a reminder for us that on that day, young people came together and declared that Bahasa Indonesia is the one language that unites us as Indonesians. Maka, marilah kita selalu memperluas wawasan kita dengan mempelajari berbagai bahasa asing. Tetapi kita tetap harus ingat untuk selalu menghormati dan memelihara jati diri kita sebagai bangsa Indonesia dengan menggunakan bahasa Indonesia sebagai tonggak persatuan kita. Selamat menyambut Hari Sumpah Pemuda.